Here's another amazing simple recipe of corkscrew pasta, chicken and broccoli in a light cream sauce. So delicious and so simple. Here's how we do it. The first thing we are going to do is get some boiling salted water going. We've got our diced chicken, kosher salt, black pepper, and a little garlic powder ready to go. And what we're going to do is in another little saute pan, we got some extra virgin olive oil. We put our chicken in and we're going to start to brown that up nicely. Very, very simple, very easy. We're always watching our boiling salted water. Remember, in pasta, you do not need to put any oil in, so do not do that. It's a waste of money. So we're waiting for our water to boil on the left. Straight ahead, we've got our chicken slowly browning. Beautiful. All right, our water's come to a boil. We take our corkscrew pasta. We're going to use about 1 cup. This is just going to be for me for lunch today. So all I need is about 1 cup. And in the boiling water we go. Once the pasta hits the water, we're going to take some tongs or a spoon. You want to make sure that they're all individually loosened up. And let that water do its work. Simply follow the instructions on all of your pasta boxes. Usually 12 to 15 minutes is all you will need. I'll turn the burner down to medium and back to our chicken. Chicken's starting to brown nicely, getting a nice crust on the outside, locking in that kosher salt and black pepper and garlic powder. So delicious. Excellent. So we keep slightly turning until all sides are nice and brown. At the same time, watching our pasta boil nicely. Again, follow the instructions on your pasta box, usually 12 to 15 minutes. Now our chicken is just about perfectly brown on all sides, just where we want it. Absolutely gorgeous. You see that nice font on the bottom of that pan? Check our pasta water, check our pasta. Now we're going to add a little liquid into that to get all of that goodness up from the bottom of that pan. So the first thing we're going to put in is a little bit of chicken broth or chicken stock. Probably about 1/4 cup. And that's going to immediately release all of that goodness from the bottom of that pan, which is going to create a nice sauce. We'll add in our pre-cooked steamed broccoli and toss that all around nicely. As you can see, the font is coming up from the bottom of the pan. That's where all your flavor is. Never want to skip out on that. Stir it around, getting that broccoli nice and heated up. Beautiful. Back to our pasta. Let's take another look, see how we're going. We've been about 9 minutes, 10 minutes now, getting close. Perfect. Almost ready to add to our pan, and here we go. We'll take out our corkscrew pasta. We'll put it in with our chicken and broccoli. A little spider strainer. So we want to keep that pasta water on the side in case we need to add some more liquid. So now we have our chicken, our broccoli, and our pasta all in the pan. And here we're going to add a little bit of heavy whipping cream. I do not want to make this like a full Alfredo. I just want to have it just kind of a light cream sauce. Not too thick, not too heavy. So just a little bit, probably about 1/4 cup. And we're basically just going to let this reduce down. There's enough seasoning in that chicken and in the bottom of that pan, and also from the salted water of the pasta, that we don't need to add any more seasoning. That cream will naturally absorb a lot of the seasoning that's already in the pan. As you've heard me say many times, just let cooking cook. This is one of the techniques that is just so easy and so amazing. It'll make your cooking so much simpler. All right. Now, after about 5 minutes, we'll add 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter. That's going to give it a nice creaminess. This is a total chef tip that you can learn from my Cooking Made Simple book. Grab your copy. There's a link in the description box below. You can learn about what we're making right now, sauteing chicken and broccoli with cream sauce, plus so much more. Knife skills, what pans to use, what kind of seasonings to use. Oh, there's so much more in this book. Link in the description box. Pick yours up now. All right, back to our pasta and our chicken. And of course, we've got a block of Parmesan. Could not go this dish without adding some beautiful cheese. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Does that look amazing or what? The cream sauce is reduced down just enough, but this cheese is going to give it that last bit of extra creaminess and just deliciousness. Toss that around and see how it's picking up that last bit of sauce. So delicious. Beautiful. Look at that. Oh, wow. Now into my bowl and getting ready for a nice lunch. And we'll scoop this out nicely. Boy, I cannot wait to taste this. And again, so simple, so easy. It really is all about your mise en place, which just stands for things in place. It's a French term. You may see that on a lot of cookbooks. You just want to have everything prepared. So, I already have my broccoli steamed. And so once everything is ready, we just take that Parmesan again, grate some beautiful cheese on top at the last minute. So now we have 2 layers of flavor. We have the cheese cook in with the cream sauce, and then another layer of flavor right at the end on top to add another depth of flavor. Unbelievable. Corkscrew pasta with sauteed chicken and steamed broccoli and a light cream sauce. Absolutely delicious.